Hi guys, welcome to May 2015 C1 question number 3. So let's start. So in this question, what we have given is we have y equals 4x cubed minus 5 over x squared. And what they want is part A wants us to find dy by dx. That is the derivative of y with respect to x. So to do that, you first have to, it's always best to write anything in the denominator, to rewrite it as a negative power like this. So you have 4x cubed minus 5. I can write the denominator as in the numerator but with minus 2. That's a basic conversion. So now once you have that, you know the general rule of differentiation, that we have to bring the power in front and multiply it with whatever is there and then reduce it by 1. So following that, we will have dy by dx equals 3 dot 4x 3 minus 1. So basically bring the power in front. That's why I brought the 3 in front. And I am reducing the power by 1. That's why 3 minus 1. And similarly, we have minus 2. I brought the minus 2 in front. And I have minus 2 and I'm reducing by 1. So this will be 12. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So 12x squared. And then this minus with this minus can become plus 10. Because 2 times 5 is 10. And minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Now you best practice is to rewrite it back. If you have negative powers, now bring them back to the denominator. So you have 12x squared plus 10 over x cubed. That should be your answer to the differentiation. Similarly, part B expects you to integrate. So you have to find y, integral of y dx. Now in integration, you have to add to the power and divide it and bring the new power in the denominator. So what you have to do is integral. So first write 4x cubed minus 5 over x square dx, right? Now similar to differentiation, similar to what we did rather in differentiation, it's best to bring these to the numerator. So you first write it as 4x cubed minus 5x to the minus 2 dx. And then what we have to do is now bring the integral inside. So if you have a sum of terms or subtraction of terms, so if they are either plus or minus, if in this case you only have two terms, but if you might have had three terms, four terms, or whatever, you can split the integrals amongst those, or you can integrate them in one go, whichever one you find convenient. So in my case, let's just assume that we have to integrate the whole thing, right? So you have there are two terms. By two terms I mean there are two algebraic terms which are separated by a plus or a minus, so I can individually integrate them. So let's do it individually. So what we'll get is I will have 4x 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 minus 5x minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. C is always there because there are no limits on the integral. So this is an indefinite integral, so we have to put a plus c there as well. Now let's simplify this. So you have 4x 3 plus 1 is 4 and 3 plus 1 in the denominator is 4 minus 5x minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 plus c. Further, now this 4 can go with this 4 and this minus 1 can go with this minus sign. So you will get x to the 4 plus 5 x to the minus 1 plus c. Similar to the last part, best to rewrite these negative powers in denominator. So finally you have x 4 plus 5 over x plus c. So this is your final answer. Let's move on to the next question. Thank you.